Hi, Joe here from Scarff Ford and Isuzu, and today we're going to talk about this awesome 2024 Tundra SR5. Let's dive in. The Tundra was completely redesigned for the 2022 model year, better than ever. And I know some Tundra fans were disappointed with the redesigned one that there is no longer any V8 option. It's only a V6 twin turbo or hybrid twin turbo V6. But that's okay because it's a fantastic engine. And taking a little book from Ford, who's had the best-selling full-size pickup truck for 50 years, the top-of-the-line engine in the regular F-150, not the Raptor, is a twin-turbo V6. In fact, only 20% of F-150 buyers opt for the V8 option. And another cool feature that we have with the Tundra is a coil spring rear suspension. Generally, pickup trucks employ leaf springs, which have worked for like over 100 years, but going the coil spring route gives you a much better ride and handling. This has a smaller 5.5-foot bed. You can get a 6.5-foot bed or even an 8-foot bed on the Tundra. But when you have 4 doors and a long bed, kind of like this Super Duty over here, it's great for hauling dimensional lumber and using it for pickup truck stuff, but daily driving it and parking at the mall, it's like parking a limousine. So the shorter wheelbase is definitely a consideration for a lot of buyers that are going to use this as a daily driver. But the cool thing is that this one features a bed extender. So you just flip it over like this, and now you have a 6-foot bed. This has a nice composite bed liner, integrated tie downs. Of course, we have a tow hitch. When properly equipped, the Tundra can tow up to 12,000 pounds, depending on the configuration. And this one features a cool integrated bed step, making it easier to get in and out of the bed. If you just want to reach over and grab something, for people shorter in stature, it can be a little bit difficult, so this definitely makes it a lot easier. Pumping out 390 horsepower, this thing is really quick, 0 to 60 right around 6 seconds. This one has the upgraded TRD Wheel and tire package, side steps, beautiful color combination. Nice spacious rear seats, making it a great family vehicle. We have the all-season floor liners. You can also flip up the rear seats and you have under-seat storage with a divider so stuff's not rolling around. And here's a little Easter egg. Even though it is a Toyota, this was actually built and assembled in Texas. So it's almost as American as some American trucks. In fact, some American trucks are actually made in Canada. So this Toyota, in some ways, is more American than some American trucks. Obviously, one of the best seats in the house is the front. We have this nice, comfortable cloth interior, bolstering in the seats and hold you in place nice and snug. Height adjustable headlights. So if you do have a lot of weight or towing a trailer with a lot of tongue weight, that can make your low beams point up, making them high beams. So having that adjustable is really nice so people aren't flashing you or getting mad on you, or you're blinding people at nighttime when hauling a lot of weight in your bed or towing a trailer. Maybe this one only has 11,000 miles. Nice contoured leather wheel, feels wonderful in your hands. Big mirrors, great for visibility and towing. The 4-wheel drive system is really easy to use. You have this dial right here. Then we have this rotating dial here for the drive mode selectors. You have Eco, Normal, and Sport. That will make changes to the transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, I think also the steering effort. Rear parking camera. It might look like it's flickering, but that's just the frame rate in the camera. You have storage galore. Look like that. Look at that. A nice locking safe, USB-C charging. Yeah, and this has a TRD wheel package, exhaust tip, and Predator drop step package at $2,800. So it's the side steps, those TRD wheels, and the nice fancy chrome exhaust tip. Well, thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. My name is Joe. We're Scarff Ford and Isuzu. We have been in business since 1922, over 100 years. We sell new Fords, new Isuzus, and a very wide variety of premium vehicles. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.